Hitting anything. That's not good. There's a 2x4 right there. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna take all that off. So the cool thing about beveling these guys is you'll put the, I think it's called mastic. You put it around here. You put some on these corners, and then you just push it in. It'll ooze out. You can put some tape over this to hold it, and you kind of take a putty knife and take off the excess, and should stay there. But anyway. So we use spray foam, polyurethane foam. This is closed cell foam. And the thing about closed cell foam is that you only need about 2.5 inches to get to the insulation, the R value. A lot of the contractors now. So this video, I'm doing it at August 23rd, Sunday morning, about 10 o'clock in the morning. Remember, the house was built in '99, and the guy who I contracted said he used closed cell foam, and so all you need is about, on a 2x4, 2x6 wall, you just need about 2 inches, and that, what a world of difference. I highly recommend that to everybody. Nowadays they're using open cell foam, and that they have to fill the entire cavity. They'd fill it all the way up to here. That's how my brother's house was done, that he built probably less than a year and a half ago. And it works great. That stuff works great, but I don't know if it's cheaper or if it's environmentally more friendly. Who knows? I have no idea. But anyway, so now my next job is to go up in the attic and drill the holes, and I'm ready to start running wires. So, alrighty. Okay, so this is the bedroom that's upstairs above the theater, and this wall happens to be the wall that's just above the wall where I am running all these wires to. So 6 of them are going down, and then I left 2 here, and it turned out that it just worked out just perfectly. This box, I cut out the what do you call it, the drywall just perfectly around there. I think it's going to work fairly awesome. And then down in there, it goes down into the theater room. So it just you know, was a little work, but it worked out. And so now it's just a matter of putting the keystones on and setting up the whole network. That's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to get keystones for the 2 internet connections, the phone, and one for the off air. I believe this is off air. I'm not sure why I have another off air over here. Could have been maybe a dish thing where you have another receiver up here or something like that. I can't remember. So anyway, so that's this room, and everything seemed to go fairly easy. You know, you definitely need to give yourself some room. If you had an angled what do you call it, drill, you may not need to cut as deep, or you may have to cut. I don't know. Since I didn't have one, I had that real long, what do you call it, 7/8 drill bit. It's almost like 18 inches long, and you know, I'm cutting a little angle there, but it worked. Did the job for me. Up in the attic, it was easy. This wall up there in the attic, I just had to kneel down. There's plenty of room, and the holes. By the way, 7/8 is plenty for at least 3, probably 4 Cat 6 cables to go through it. I'm not sure why I cut so many. There's like 3, 1, 2, 3. I should have done like a test fit or something, and then I think I just cut too many holes. But anyway, definitely I'll be spraying the foam up in the attic so that no hot air, cool air coming through here on this wall, and also in the where my network is. So let's go over there. So here's the wall, the outer wall, where the wires go to where I have my network, and I'm running 10 wires, 6 to the theater room, 2 to the master bedroom, and 2 2 to my son's room. And then here's where they're going to be connected, all down here. So I'll do all the keystones right there. So it's great, ready to go. All right, and that one right there, that blue one right there that's going into that orange, that's going to be converted back to a telephone. Right now I'm using, that's a Cat 3 line. It's pretty amazing. Cat 3 can handle about 10, maybe 12 megabits for 4K, and that's what's been running my TV downstairs. But I needed some more connections down there, so we're going to have 6 more, but a Cat 6. All right, talk to you later.